Aunty Donna, come here. May I send a message to you? I see you come on social media and I don't know you and you don't know me. You see one little clippings out there with me and my baby father. And you know, so the kids is at CPS. And your ending result is to come on the internet and say, oh, they must not get back their kids because them too toxic. Aunty Donna, old time people used to say, if you don't have good for say, no say nothing. If you don't have good for say, no say nothing. Stick up in. You have child that come from broken homes, become doctors, lawyers, nurse, and engineer in the world. I have child that come from good family background, rich people background. They don't have sister center right now, on the sidewalk, mad out.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set. Bless. You also know the story incomplete of minute upon the beat, and as you can see upon the screen. Yeah, Jamaican celebrity ROSEALEE, yeah, she's a TikTok celebrity, is coming under heavy fire from people in the ghetto and uptown. You see ma said, them say she mad out and all of these things and need some type of Bellevue assistance. And I think that's so wrong, you feel me? What we're seeing ROSEALEE going through is quite the norm in anybody's relationship. You see ma said, putting out the comment section where you think about that, because we see it with the white people and the American people. It's not always a bed of roses, you know what I mean? And a lot of people keep their relationship private. And unfortunately for some, them love watch people business. And ROSEALEE is a content creator. This is the kind of content she puts out. And she's getting paid a hefty dollars, you feel me? She just need to cut out the stuff that, you know, make the law come take our kids away. You know what I mean? And any other thing that might put, you know, herself and family in jeopardy. But other than that, she's good to go. Because when I love the Kardashians and all of them shows there, you see me? You know what I mean? But anyway, let's hear what she has to say to Aunty Donna, then proceed with the next.
At a one pin me I go stick another pin. Stop mix the internet with real life. Stop make the internet with real life. You see, the internet sell story, controversy, rumors, all type of something. This is the devil's playground. And for a big woman with kids and grandkids, the least you could have come and say is that ROSEALEE and Jake need to sort out their differences. When they get back their kids, they need to come to a conclusion how to parent. Since that we can see that they're not getting along well or they're not together. They need to work on that. When them get back them pitting them figure out what them are gonna do. It's either the kids are gonna dear so during the week, or the kids are gonna dear so on the weekend because them not together. We never say that. Pray that we get back our kids. Pray that we sort out our differences. And pray that we'll become a better parent. Stop judge. Stop mix the internet with real life. Because Aunty Donna, if I was mixing the internet with real life, you do charity something. You do charity funding. I mean, know charity people normally walk around and look for the poor and needy, the sick, the handicapped, beg for them, and teeth out tight, and the things them, beg for them, scrape out of it, reach out of it, and the things them. So if I was mixing the internet with real life, I would say on the internet, Donna, you look like a con artist. But I don't know you, so I can't judge. That's what I see on the internet about you. I see he's a con artist on the internet, Aunty Donna. That's what it me. When I walk around, I use people weakness and beg for them and teeth out tight. That's how I think. So I use when I sip on the net, but I don't know in a real life in Aunty Donna. That's how I sip on the net. And I can't judge of what I can't judge you half of what I see on the net. I mean, I know in a real life. Somebody does make it stay. It is my opinion about you. I, Rosalie, don't mix internet with real life. When I'm on the internet, I am at work. And when I'm on outside of the net, I want total different Rosalie. Total different Rosalie. So you don't know me, don't judge me. I have never beaten my kids, putting the bruises on them, putting the scars on them. I fed them, send them to school. I'm a mother. Not a mama, a mother that makes sacrifice for them. And then, you know, I'm still on the net, even though they drag me, fling me, dust me, do me the things them, because what? I call this my workplace to make bread for my kids. Stick another soft pin. When the police them they come in my house, come video me naked and put over social media, I know I get no justice from nowhere. What was your thoughts? How comes I never seen a video about you? Oh, because she's on the internet and she's big and she's dirty and she's nasty. I want to classify me as a big dump. Stop judge me. You don't know me from nowhere and I don't know you. Pray for me. Pray for long life, success, that I get back my kids and do the right thing. We all make mistakes. We all do make mistakes. And when I'm on the net, I'm acting. And when I'm in real life, it's two different persons. Don't mix the internet with real life. We never know Sammy and Jake's planet. For create one shenanigans to give and views and the things. I don't know what's wrong with someone on the internet. When you feel like Sammy and Jake's planet for views and hype on the net. We don't feel our planet. We don't think so. Stop mix the internet with real life. And I do not always use and judge people. Because I don't know them in person and I use one character, one person when they put on for the net like a show and judge them. Learn to know people before you talk. Because I could have come here on the net and talk what I see about you. But I don't because I don't know you. And I'm not like that. I'm not that person. Pray for me, Aunty Donna, for long life and success. That I get back my kids. Pray for me, Mama. I rest my peace.
And now let's take a listen to what Aunty Donna had to say prior to ROSEALEE putting out that video. You see me?
I drive, right? And last night, I watched ROSEALEE live. What transpired. I never watch one with she and Jade. I only see clippings. But I was on her live and it have over 19,000 people and it going up. And when me see it, I say, but this girl no want her pitney them. This girl and her baby father don't want her pitney them because whatever is going on, CDA is looking and watching and gonna record everything and say everything. So it don't look like she want her pitney them. Neither she nor the father. And to almost say the two of them are conduct themselves at this moment, none of them not deserve but them pitney the right here now in this state where them under. They are toxic for both themselves and the kids. And the words and the things that they are putting out there is social media footprint. And CDA at no point in time, the government is going to hand over these two children into a relationship and a family like that. What's going on? On the other note, I'm not bashing her at this moment because me that say, you know what? I what do her? She must know what she do. But analyzing and looking into ROSEALEE right now, ROSEALEE is going through some mental breakdown. And she don't know how to come out and express herself. And the only way she know how to is anger. I want you to listen to me, analyzing her. The only way how she know how to is cuss, carry on, but that is her way of showing her weakness. And a lot of us might look on it and say, oh, that's all she do for do her cuss. That is the only way how she know to express herself and is to carry on like that because she don't know no other way. Based on the fact that she has been through a lot of verbal abuse, people tell her she ugly, she this, she that, all kind of verbal abuse that people have said about her out there. And it has affected her mentally. Now, somebody needs, some family member or somebody from the mental health department need, or psychologist need to sit down with that young miss and talk to her and counsel her. Because if you notice, when she was doing the live, she turned off the comment because she didn't want to read what persons were saying. And persons were on there riling her up and giving her gifts to carry on. Now, social media don't business with you until something happened to you. You say everybody come alright, RIP and this. And when I know that something was wrong, it's when she joined Miss Triple Live. And she, after she was there just playing some type of music on a second live, or I don't know if Cosmedy come and fight. And she was there just looking out of space and I shake her head and I play some song while say some things. She cannot control herself because she's into a deep stage of depression. I am not a psychologist and I am not a doctor, but based on what I am seeing, she going through a deep stage of mental breakdown. Everything that is happened to her has put her body into a shock. The fact that her children them gone, the fact that she and Jakes break up, the fact that she and Akeem not together, the fact that people are blame her, the fact that people are cuss her, the fact that she blame herself for everything that happened. It is so humiliating to see how Jakes put out her clothes them on the internet and her personal things. At the end of the day, she and Jakes there for 12 years. And if Jakes did want to take ROSEALEE room picture and video it, that's fine. Send it to her or keep it in your phone and then say, if she come out, come cuss and say anything missing, you look on it and you say, see me did have it and I'm a phone. I feel that that was the last straw for her. He violated her privacy and doing that. And we have to speak the truth. No matter what happened with the two of them, he did not need to come out. And that is what led her into the behavior that she had to want to spill every beans. Whether they are truth or whether they are lie. And we don't want to make them over TikTok and depend something happen, not then everybody are going to say, we did see it coming and we never do nothing. Aunty Donna Go DMG is highlighting the fact that ROSEALEE needs help. I can't help ROSEALEE, but there are people on here who can reach out to her, who can pray for her, who can assist her out of this dilemma that she's going through. Right now, social media is not the place for ROSEALEE. She's very toxic to herself and to her kids and to the environment. You need a break from social media, and until somebody come out and assist her, because she's angry with herself, she's angry with the world, she blaming herself, people body shaming her, discriminating her, telling her all kind of things, but nobody looking at the underlying issue that something is really wrong with her. And I am not going to bring her down now in this position, because when I sleep on it last night, I may get up this morning not look well, I mean, I drive, she come right up in my spirit. And I am just here to say that she needs help. And this is not a normal behavior from a person. The children taken away from her has put her into more depression. And what is going on with her personal life and Jakes, and the fact that he put out everything out of our house and the media. So I am just saying that please intervene, please get her some help before something seriously happening. And she need back her kids, and this behavior will not get her back her kids. Because personally, I would not recommend CDA to give her back. Neither she nor Jakes the kid at this moment. The kids have to be stabilized, and the two of them have to get continent therapy before them can get back them pitney there.
Yeah, putting in a comment section where you think about that. Like I said, you know, people on them apps is working. You know, that's their business. So people should definitely mind theirs, because a lot of people depend on OnlyFans. And like ROSEALEE said, a lot of rich people pitney upon the sidewalk. You know, I mean, I don't encourage nobody to come off of TikTok to work for no $2 US an hour in Jamaica, wiping shit from some foreigner. You see me, I say, some hotel that's getting paid millions. So, you know, a lot of these content creators out here see the wave and then want to jump on it, you see me, instead of jumping on, you know what. But anyway, people, we're not going to listen no longer, you know. do the right thing and don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest one. Bless.